This is a flash flood. Danger, danger. Look at the logs and all this.
Oh my God.
Daddy, get out!
Oh man, look at that big log just got pushed to the side. It's coming right where we're standing.
Yeah, I'm wondering if we're
we're
too close.
We're gonna have to get up to the Jeep.
Might even take our.
That's amazing.
This is
I've
gonna
never
be
seen anything.
Look at it going.
Look at it move. Oh my God.
I'm sending this to 3TV.
See those things flying up? Chunks of sticks and rocks and stuff?
Well, what you gotta do is jump on the log and ride it out.
Sure.
Scott, you better.
You can probably start heading over this way.
Yeah, it's coming fast, brother. It's coming right at us.
Oh, stop.
Oh, no.
Probably get out.
Shush. Like 8
Yeah,
mothers.
it's coming on us, man.
Well, listen to him.
Holy cow. This is a TV news video. Somebody should send it in. That's incredible. That's amazing. Right. It's gonna come right around.
Wow. It's like a bulldozer just pushing everything.
Back up, back up, back up.
Holy crap, that's cool!
Yeah.
Wow!
Last time we saw it.
On the move.
Yeah, come on, man. Come on, Ken. Oh, the little tree.
Ain't it? Go get the trucks. Send the light ones
Okay. Cross that.
Your TJ's so bad, you're taking him across. This is what you got more than your feet, Chris. You probably done
Here's a Chevy. Here's that Chevy.
Breathe out now. Now we got it.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That is just amazing.
Family to YouTube kid.
That was worth the wait, huh?
Oh, that was just too cool.
That was incredibly cool.
Yeah! Oh, I took a picture of that tree down there. Because I was out there when I took a picture of the tree. Maybe from over this way. Because I wanted to fly reference.